Hello, friends. Good evening to all of you. My name is Amish Sharma, and today I welcome all of you in our sixth day of our series of Words of Wisdom. And the topic for today is machine learning and data science, the most awaited one. And the speaker for today is Geeta Kakrani ma'am. So, a short intro about her. She is the CEO of KANISHKA Information Technology Private Limited. She is also a data scientist and an organizer of GDG Gwalior. So I welcome you, ma'am, and our whole team of Code Warriors, Hack with CW. We are really pleased to have you on our stream, and yeah, we are really excited for this session. So over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, team of Code Warriors. And once again, thanks a lot for giving the opportunity. And I want to congratulate to all team to your admirable work. And it's really admirable. And for your achievement, it's very good.
Thank you. Thank you.
First of all, I want to get you introduced to myself. I'm the Geeta Kakrani, and I'm the organizer of GDG Gavadia. I'm CEO of this company. But I am the working in the data science field because data science is my passion, and data science is my really favorite work. I have experience. I have relevant experience in this field. Can I share my screen?
Yes, ma'am, you can. Yes.
That's uh, uh, I think is this visible? Is this visible, team?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible. Yes.
I think here is some issue. It's not a sharing right now.
Ma'am, your
I'm
PPT was
trying.
visible. You can present it again. It was visible. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
son. Okay. Yeah. This is my introduction. As I say, I'm CEO of Kanishka Information Technology. I have 10 plus year experience in this IT industry, but relevant experience in the technical area. And I am the brand ambassador of WTM Gavadir also. First of all, I want to introduce about data science because data science is a today's topic, and all are waiting for the data science. What is the data science? What is the machine learning? It's really connected to each other. So I want to tell about it. Data science. Data science is a science. It's a use to get information. It's a use to get experiment. It's a use to get prediction about information about the data. So why we need actually data science? Why we are using the data science in this world? We are hearing here and there. Data science is a big topic. Data science. We should be learn data science, and many company like IITs, I am also providing this course with their degree. Why? Because data science is a very important topic now this time. Data science is a very, very attractive and trending topic because almost all company like e-commerce sector, health sector, food sector, other industries, all sector require data scientists. Because now this time it's not a time to we are producing something and we are selling and just a selling. No, it's a very important. If we are selling something, then we have to know about feedback about this item. Suppose that if you are using any music app, many music app are available here. and you can use Ghana.com, Spotify, another music app. But if you are using any music app and they automatically suggest you this type of song should be play, and you like it, you really like it, but you don't know more this about the song, and automatically it's suggested according to your mood, according to your choice, you feel very happy. Why? Because it's automatically suggested according to your nature, according to your feeling, according to your right now mood. How is it possible? Because data science getting information about you. So like this, if you are going in the shopping in the any shopping site, yeah, or you are going in the physically in the shopping market, like any mall, any other shops, and automatically they suggest something, and in your WhatsApp, in your email, then you feel very happy. Okay, this is available, this item is available, I should go there and I should buy this. So they are attracting because they are getting information, they are collecting data about you, and after that analyzing with your information. After that they will understand what you want right now, what you want actually buy, what you want right choose right now. So automatically they will suggest, they will predict, and they will help you, okay, you should choose that or not. That, like this, many application use data science. So if we are talk about the data science, so what is the actual? Is this course? Is it just a terminology? It's just a technique? No, it's science. It's science. Science means it's a depend on your available information, relationship with information, prediction with information, and get the relation, and we should analyze on the information. This is a science. So data science is just a science, and for this we use many techniques. We can use any technical language, we can use commerce site like a Excel, we can use on a physical way like a copy, pen, etc. So data science is not only a simple technology or software name. It's just a technique to understand relationship between data, information, and images, etc. This is a data science. So in this section we are using a terminology, data science with machine learning. So many person understand, many person think that data science and machine learning both are together, and always if we talk about the data science and we are talking about the machine learning. No, machine learning is just a part of the data science. Data science means you want to understand info. Suppose that you want to marry to someone, and obviously you will get information about that, and you will not apply Python and Java about that. Only you will get information and your brain will think about that, and after that you will take decision. Okay, it's okay, I can go with that. That's just like this. We are getting some information and we are applying some technique to get relation between data, and after that we will decide, yeah, we should do or not. So for that we use many things, and machine learning is just a part of this thing. So machine learn just this is a tools of the data science. So I talking about the data science, we are using the data science, and we have a number of things to apply the data science. So just I'm talking about the machine learning. So machine learning just help of system, help of the computer. We are applying our target. We want to apply, we want to get the relationship between data. So we need system, and we have to use some programming language to getting this relationship between data. So Python is a very trending topic nowadays. It's easy to understand, easy to learn, and easy to apply. So Python is a very favorite language in a data scientist and machine learner, because Python can be easily apply and easily understand. So there are number of predefined libraries available in this language, and that's why Python is the biggest. Python is a playing biggest role in this field. R. R is another software in the data science, because R is a ready-made, R like a simple language like a Python, but I am really saying Python is a core language, and we can do many things using the Python, but R is just a simple language to analyzing data, so visualizing data, to getting the relationship between data, and we can create the report using the R. So that's why R is playing is a very important role in data science as well. It's a really important topic and very old topic in this field, because before Python, before knowing about the data science, SQL is already playing the role, important role, because SQL means structure query language. It provides simply system to collecting information, it's providing a filtering, and it's providing number of query system. So using the SQL, we can available, you can provide your information in a proper way. Excel, if you are come from the commerce side, many students are coming and saying, we are from the commerce side, so can we become data scientist? And can we, if we learn about the data science, so very compulsory, we have to must knowledge about the coding. So that's not important. Yeah, this is a very important, because Python will help you to learn about the algorithm which providing in the data science. But Excel is also very important role, not like a Python, but Excel is also playing very important role. If you are coming from the another stream, then you can use Excel, and you can use simply formula, statistic formula, mathematical formula to apply the algorithm, to apply relationship between data and understand and analyzing your information. W, it's new software, obviously, and we can say it's a collection of the R, SQL, and Excel, because it's relate to all software. Automatically, it can get data from any platform and present you graphs, provide you some shapes, some reports, structural way, non-structural way. So W is a very important software nowadays and going to trend in the market. Hadoop is also very important, because Hadoop, because this is a market of the network system is also very important. If you are talking about the bank, so bank are spreading your branch in all over world and all over in country. So we are getting information, number of systems, we are getting information, number of sources. So it can create a massive. So how will you solve a problem in the, how will you analyze in the massive data? So Hadoop can provide number of predefined algorithms and number of custom algorithm to analyze and clean your data, which is come in the network system also. So now we are talking about the machine learning. Obviously, this is a very important topic. So just I told about machine learning is a very important data science. Yeah, of course important, because if you are applying your relationship in data using the system, so machine learning is, it can be a backbone of this system, because machine learning provide number of predefined Python programs, and not a important in a compulsory Python, you can use Java, if you like C++ also you can use. But machine learning means predefined programs, predefined classes, predefined functions in which we input some information, and system automatically get and create relationship between data and analyze your information, analyze your pattern, and after that predict, after that visualize, after that filter, and provide desired output according to you. So introduction of the machine learning. So just I talk you about machine learning. Machine learning is a very important backbone in the data science. So machine learn from the machine. What is the means of machine learning? Actually, machine will learn like a child. Child learn from teacher, from parents, from brother, sister, sibling, anything. So actually, child will get the information. Child's brain get the information about anything, and after that analyzing between data, and after that they will learn well. And after learning, she will talk about that topic. So like this machine will get the information from your side, and after that this information, after the result of this information, it will predict for future. So machine learn from the past experience, it's called a machine learning. So simply machine learning have always data to analyzing, and only experience of this data machine learning can take decision for future and for present also. So we provide some information input and output from which machine can understand relation and pattern data analyzing prediction. This process is called machine learning. AI, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. It's really a question always come to mind. What is the data science? What is the machine learning? What is the deep learning? What is artificial intelligence? All are connected to each other. All are come in simple syllabus. All are how are connected. So artificial intelligence is a big field. if we are talking about the data science, so some person saying that data science is the biggest. No, artificial intelligence is a big field, and it's a technique in which computer learn and act like a human. So if you're talking about the robo and science fiction movies, so all are example of the AI. So it's a three types: weak AI, intermediate AI, strong and super AI. So all are used to make a system like a human, take action about anything. So like using AI, your system can your system can um, become a person and work like a human. But now this time we are using only weak and intermediate AI, because super AI can be danger for us, because in this system robo can be take decision by on and can be harmful for human and generation nature also. So it can be very harmful. ML is a very small branch, if I am saying, because ML is a really important, and many person think ML is a big playing big role. Obviously, playing big role, but after that, in whole world technical world, ML is just a system, just a normal system in which machine is taking information, learn this from this information, and giving the result of this information. But deep machine learning is a much better in the more complex than machine learning, because machine learning can analyze in on the data. But if you have huge data set, then might be your machine learning could not give us right prediction, or could not give a proper result. So in that condition, we have to go deep machine learning. Like you have a big huge data set, you have a image form data set, you have a video form data set. So might be your ML could not apply proper work, because machine learning is a totally numerical based, and get information and get data in numerical format. So if you are using images and it convert into number, so it can create a huge data set, complex data set. So then deep machine learning can work properly. So what is the data science right now? So data science is a science and using only these all are technique. So data science is not a particular field. Data science using machine learning to applying your analyzing. Deep machine learning, if you have to analyze in image format, and can use AI also if you want to get right prediction about anything. So machine learning using AI can take decision in uncertain condition. So types of, because today's topic is a machine learning. Still, all our topic are overall topic, but today's focus is only machine learning and data science. So now we are talking about the machine learning and machine learning. How many types of machine learning? So machine learning has three types: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. Supervised machine learning. Just I told you, machine learning getting your information. So it has just experienced. So suppose that you will go any doctor and uh, you can go your grandmother, grandfather, and any experienced person, and you will go there and talk about I have headache, I feel some coldness, I have some cough. Then automatically they predict no problem. You could have energy or allergy system. Yeah, you could have any cold. You should take this medicine, otherwise this thing. So yeah, they will suggest you some medicine, some home remedies to improve your health. It's so supervised. Why? Because their brain, it's automatically learn about that. Their brain automatically know this is a feature, this is a symptoms, and whenever these features and symptoms come, then this type of diseases can be happen. Suppose that you feel fever, and automatically some person say, okay, you are feeling coldness, you feel chill, something a thundering. What are you feeling right now? So automatically they predict, okay, you could have fever, you could have a cold, you could have a cough, so you should take a rest. But now this time, if you are talking about the cold and cough, it can be go and take a rest. And so first of all, you should take testing about a corona, because now this time our brain only taking the information about corona. So condition have changed. So before some time, condition are simply normally cold, cough, not a big problem. But now this time, this can be problem. Why? Because our mind taking information, and after this information, automatically a label set It should corona, it should pneumonia, it should other diseases, anything. So supervised learning is just a learning about a feature and about the result. So supervised learning always in this system machine already know what is the input and what is the output. Like our grandmothers, our grandfathers, and our parents and our doctor also automatically check our symptoms and predict also. And other things also, if you are going meet to someone and you know this type of person always treat like this, like teachers in college, and you are going in job and you facing your boss, and already mindset bosses are always strict and always give instruction this they could not friendly, they could not enjoy with us. So our mind is already trained. Why? Because we have already information about that, these type of features if we have to face, then this type of result will come. So this is called as supervised learning. In this system machine, we provide some information with input, with output, with features, with result to system, and system create a relationship between data and understand how get this result. If this is a result, then how get this result? So what are the features too important to get result? So this type of relation could pattern relationship, everything analyzed by machine. And after that, whenever they will face this type of symptom, and they will feel this type of relationship, then automatically get the result. Okay, this type of problem can you have, yeah, this type of result predict by machine. So supervised learning in this system machine already know about the output, and from the past data, like already told you, it's always come from your experience. So always past data is available to machine, input and output both, and it's called a labeled learning, it's called a supervised learning, it's called a simple learning, and things you can say. So like it is 1 and 0 equal to 1. I'm giving two features, 1 and 0. Then I'm told the answer 1. And 1 and double 0. Then 1, 1 0 and 1 0. Then 1, 0 and 0. Then 0. And above lines are data set from the train. And these type of feature, this type of result I have trained to system. Then system automatically think, if we find 1 and 1 another side, then always answer is 1. So 1 and 0 input as 1, the output system will train according to data. So next time you will enter 0 0 and 1, you will get by the machine is 1, because here predicted by machine. If both side are 0, then answer will 0. So machine is not a learning what should be happen. Machine is learning also what should not happen. So according to base of the information, always try to predict. Unsupervised learning on certain condition. It's a really a big example of corona, because it's really uncertain condition. Before 2020, if you talk about any diseases, like anything else, if you are talking about any fever, about talking about any political condition, anything else, so always we have data to analyzing, and we have foolproof planning. Okay, we are talking about the government. So government always alert, our government always know about what should we do. Okay, but whenever they had to face about corona condition, they're totally unknown about this condition. What should we do? And Modi they take decision lockdown. But how is it possible immediately? They could not take decision immediately, but they have to take decision. So they are getting information from USA, from the China. Corona is not a simple disease. It's a really life-threatening diseases, and it's a pandemic, and we have to do something. But what? So Modi ji don't know, did not know about it. So just getting the information from all sides, and after that they had to take decision lockdown. But after taking the decision lockdown, they don't know, okay, it will be good or not, effective or not. This is the unsupervised learning. So like this, if we have some condition predefined, result are predefined, and I'm talking to machine with predefined patterns, predefined features, predefined relationship, then machine always give 100% right answer, because they know what is the result of these features. But if we are providing to machine a features which already which features machine don't know about this pattern, Machine don't know about this information, and machine don't know about the what should result of this. Like you learn a child, you learn about cricket, you learning about football, but suddenly you have to play badminton. How? I don't know about the badminton. I know about the cricket. I know about the football, but I don't know more about the badminton, how we play. So you have to do, but now you have to do because I'm just asking you. So what do you do? What you do? So I have to do some my predefined playing experience. Okay, right now I don't know about the badminton, but I know cricket. So some rules I know. So like this, machine will do something according to your predefined pattern, some new pattern, some new information, and on the behalf of experience, it will take some decision. So unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning because machine also learning in the system also, and after some time it will automatically supervise because after that machine know about the system, but new condition of the machine is called the unsupervised. So in this system machine used to find unexpected condition, hidden pattern data set, and with no pre-existing any result. So unsupervised learning algorithm include clustering, detection, neural networking, etc. It always try to analyze new model with available data and get decision on behalf of experience of data and feature. So according to my previous experience, I can take decision in new condition. This is a unsupervised learning because I have no any idea about this information. So I'm using the word clustering here because clustering, like suppose that what is the shape of the banana, what is the shape of the apple, what is the shape of tomato, but whenever you get a basket mix of fruits, banana, apple, chiku, all are mixing here there, and I know my brain is already cycle if we are according to shape, according to color, according to smell, I can recognize my fruit, but all are mixed format in this. First of all, I have to create a group. Suppose that some fruits I'm not known about it, I don't have any information about that, but after that I will create first of all group of this all fruits according to shapes, according to color, according to anything else. We can create a group. This called it's called a clustering, and after that we will find this group. Actually, suppose that I know about the round tomato is a red color, smell, anything else, and I'm getting a new shape of the fruit, and automatically my mind will click. Okay, it should come in this family or in this group or in this class. So after that I think I can get something, I can take some decision. But after grouping of my all and separate in different groups, then I can recognize which type you should belong. Reinforcement learning, it's a really complex learning. In this section, my machine, my system will take decision in environment, but don't know. It's also type of the unsupervised because in this system also we have no any labeled programming, we have no experienced information, and we don't know about the data. Like you have a you want to teach, you want to train your pet, your suppose that you have a doggy and you want to train it. You should jump, you should take any order from us, and you should whenever I say sit, then you should sit. So that's not a possible doggy can understand your language, English, Hindi, anything else, but you have to train. So you will train, and if they will reply, if it will reply in positive according to you, then you will provide a reward. Then after getting the rewarding, doggy's mind and doggy's brain understand, okay, I think I should do. And if I get punishment, then my brain automatically said, okay, I should not do this. So reinforcement is a technique in machine take information and suggest according to you their predefined experience, and if you accepted this result, then automatically save, and next time it will provide again. And if you don't accept this result and you don't accept this pattern, then automatically it will deny, and automatically it will understand that yo, we should not do this. So like your if you are typing a message on mobile, then you always get suggestion, and you check. Whenever you get first suggestion and you don't need this and you deny and you create a new word, then automatically you find the next time this word again come into your suggestion and you will accept. So it depend on your output, depend on your result, depend on your accepting, and depend on your number of pattern. So reinforcement just a checking you are accepting my unsupervised learning or not. It's a rewarded or punishment. Model. In a machine learning, we are getting many terminology, but we have very limited time. We can't explain full way, but obviously we're talking always about the model. This model is good, this model is not good. So many students always confuse what is the means of model. So model is just a technique. You suppose that you are using supervised learning, and in a supervised learning we have a number of algorithm, linear, logistic. But now this time, which type of algorithm you have to use, it really important to choose any one, and really important to find, and it's a challenge कि we are choosing right algorithm. So this is a model. So model means just a process is observed by system for particular task. Suppose a child learn addition from teacher. Teacher try to teach him addition with a different numbers. 2 plus 2 equal to 4. 3 plus 8, 11. That's a not means child is learning 2 and 3. Child is a learning about plus. After that, whenever you give again a plus sign with two numbers, child automatically understand what we should do. So this is a model. So according to your given teaching, child will accept this process, this method to apply your operation. This is called model. So like this, we are getting the information, and after that we are choosing this type of method, and after that whenever we are again any number and a system and condition, then system automatically suggests you should choose this method, then it's called model. So many algorithms are called models. Types of supervised. So this is a model. We are talking about the model. So now you can understand what is the model actually. So types of supervised. Supervised. We already talk about the supervised. Supervised just a simple learning, and machine already have a experience about the data and talk about the only predefined data and predefined result. So this is called a supervised learning. But in the supervised learning, we have also two types. Regression means linear system, and classification means categorical system. So what is the means of linear system and classical classification? Okay, so regression means it's just first of all I want to tell what is the actually prediction. So x is my graph in the baseline, and y is always depending on the x is a depending line. So always x is a independent and y is a depending, and whenever we change the x, y automatically change their value accordingly x. This is called a relationship between two data, called regression. If this regression is going in the continuous format, then it's called linear regression. How? Suppose that you are increasing your prices, then demanding is automatically going down. Suppose that you are increasing speed your vehicle, and petrol and other fuel are decreasing. So like both are working at a same time together, but one is increasing, second is decreasing. It's not a possible. Linear regression is always work in the opposite side. No, linear regression is just a continuous relationship between two data. One data is increasing, second data is increasing, one data is increasing, second data is decreasing, and it will going to continue format. Like always you have a experience, you will increase your experience, your earning will increase according to your experience. So always continue, it will not stop any one time. You do hard work, you will get more money, you will get more promotion and more output and reward. That's a regression between two data to relate to each other. I think y is depend on x. But classification, just a different type of learning. In this section we have only answer yes or no. I have two groups, you are belonging to this group or this group. It's not a continue format, it always give a prediction, yes or no, you will belong to this or not, you will increase your salary in this year or not. You will increase your salary according to the experience. It's a linear. But this year you will increase your salary or not, depend on the condition. Yes or no. This is called a logical regression. This is called a classification. In this system also we have two data, x and y, and according to x, y will be take a decision yes or no. In this system we have no continue. In fact, we have range only 0 to 1. In a continuous system, in a linear system, we can go above 1 and we can down below 0. But in the logistic system we have only 0 to 1 range, and if you have going point above point 0.5, it's called treasure point. So if you are getting feature above point 0.5, then okay, you are belong to this category. And if you have a features relationship between feature coming into the below point 0.5, then it's no, it's not a real answer. So answer is no. So it totally depend on your probability, linear algebra, statistical. There are many maths concept are using here. So simple logistic regression is huge. Which group you are belonging? Yeah, this type of condition, yes or no. So handwriting detection, voice detection, especially face detection, all are the example. Spam, mail, all are the example of this type of regression. So face detection, camera will get the feature of your face, and after that it will take decision you are right person or not. If you are not right person, no, it's not open for you, and if you are right person, then go. So it's not a possible any system give 100% recognition pattern. Always it will give above point 0.5, then system will take decision yes. So I want to give you some example of this all technology like supervised learning, and important rule is a logistic regression. You can see I have a one data set, and this data in a CSV format. It's an Excel format, comma separate value. It's an Excel format. Always machine learning apply in the data set, and data set always in an Excel format, and syntax in the extension is a CSV, comma separate value. So I have a data set. It's created by my team and my student also. So I have some group of diseases, and according to feature, I will take the decision right now which group you are blogging this. So my groups are my some features: sore throat, fever, swelling of the body, dizziness, headache, body ache, and rashes, fatigue, chill, muscle ache, and coughing. These are some features, and these are features coming from the person 0 to 5 range. And according to given the range of the your these features, we can understand what type of diseases can be. So like a 2 to 0, 2 means sore throat, 2 means fever, but other 0 0 0 means swelling, not dizziness, not headache, not, and rashes, yes, and this is a common cold. Okay. Another feature about flu, another feature pattern fever, sinus infection, measles, bird flu. These are sample of number of diseases, and according to diseases, we are providing some feature. It's not a possible only one line of feature can be taken decision. We have to simply different type of combination we have to create, and we will take the decision according to your combination. So this is a data set, and after that you can see my program. In this system, this is a Python program. If you know about the Python and you know about the predefined libraries we're using in the machine learning and Python, then you can know what is the Panda, CSV, NumPy, and Ascalon. These are already predefined libraries in Python. So this is my program. First of all, I have to import my CSV Excel file in Python. So file 1 is a file handling program. So generate from the text. This is a predefined function. Data set, sorry, data set will come here, and how define separation by using comma. So delimiters is comma, and data type is a string, and all data come in the file 1. But one thing we have to fix in the mind: you can never apply any machine learning and algorithm analyzing in the character format value. So if you see other values, 2 2 0 0 1, all are numerical, but common cold, flu, it can your label, it can result, but in a string format. So it's not a possible it can directly come in your apply in machine learning. So machine learning first rule, you must have to all figures must be in numerical format. So other values like 2, 2, 0, 0, all values which are called features here come in the x. So it's not a possible x should be 1, x can be multiple, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and y can only 1. So this is a y common cold and this is a y result depending on x. So according to x, it will take decision. So now, we have to come. We have to take the file, and first of all, we have to clean our data. So we have data in a raw format, and whenever we check the data, then string not allowed. Then first of all, we have to convert your string value in numerical. So I declared a dictionary. If you know about the Python, you know what is a dictionary. And count is a simple value initialized by 0, and value in file one is a loop, and file one in file one is a predefined, it's a file which have all columns which have you already seen in the data set. So value is a one row, one by one it will come, and 11 number. You can see if we come from the 0 to 1, then your last column is a 11 number. We will start from 0. So 11 number column is a labeled column, and we are just giving a condition. If value 11 not in dictionary, then it will start from the count. And after that count plus equal to 1. It's a simply because if we are reading our data set, then our one decision repeating again and again. If we check this, then automatically decision number 1 is like decision number 1 is a common code, is automatically initialized by 0, but again we are facing the common cold in initialized by 0 plus 1, yeah, 1, but not, it's not, we have to convert into number. So all common cold should be assigned by 0, and flu is 1, scatter fever is your 2, and sinus infection is 3. So that's why we are applying this loop. If you get unique value in dictionary, then you will assign count variable. After that count will update plus 1. So first time count is 0, so I initialize your first digit, and after that second time this value again repeating, so it will not satisfy the condition, it will not assign by count, and whenever digit will be different, then it will be condition will satisfy and count will update. So now second loop will print according to you. So after that we have to get training set from the file one, means we have to find the x value. So training set is a full file. We have a file 0 to 11, but training set means x. We can't keep y value in the training set. We have to train only x feature. So 0 to 10 value come in the x, and only one value come in the last column 11 in the y. So we have to set x and y. After that we will call a predefined class logistic regression. So I have a file sklearn import linear model, and in this model we will get a predefined class logistic regression. So I told you Python is a very important role in the machine learning because it has number of predefined classes. So logistic regression is a predefined class which understand, which always know what should we do with your data, provided data. So LR means learning model. So logistic regression, we are calling the class, and LR simply class object, and fit means we are giving order to system, please train and understand what is the nature between data and what is the pattern of the data. So fit in the, we pass two parameter x and y. Sorry. We are providing two data x and y, and after that analyzing your information, after we will take testing, we will apply you are right or machine is right or not. So L is a simple parameter 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. See our data. So here any type of data you can see. So you will choose any one of data, one row, any type of data. So simply I took the one row with only x. So these are features, these are symptoms, and after that I will try. So I will use the predict function. It's also predefined function and providing some feature, and automatically answer will come in A, it will Y, and whenever we will apply this loop, and we will print the what is the real prediction of system. So after that we got the result in the numerical value 0 1 2 3 6 anything else, but in system we can't find, we user could not understand what is the means of number. We want to know about the what is decisions belong to this feature. So I will apply again a loop x in the dictionary, and dict x means your indexing. So whenever you find a match to your x, then automatically it will find the value, because your diseases is just a key and a is just a value number. So according to your number, it will find and predict diseases. This is a simple example of the logistic regression, but it's not only we are using logistic regression. Machine learning and supervised is a very deep program. So there are a number of predefined algorithm only in supervised. So if we are talking about the regression, so I have only one x and one y, then linear regression. But we have multiple x, then we have to use multiple linear regression. Sometimes we have data not in a linear format, data up and down curve format, then we have to use polynomial regression. Suppose sometime we are getting information, but not we are getting right decision and we are not getting right answer, then we have to take another way. We have to use another algorithm: support vector regression, decision tree, and random forest. Like this we are using in a classification method also. So all are the example of the supervised learning. So we are talking about the libraries. Whenever you use Python machine learning, then you have to use these type of libraries. Without it, you can't do anything. You can't apply relationship between data. You can't change, convert into a data set according to your desired sources and anything else. You, if you are getting information and you are analyzing information, then it's not important. You are always predict some information. In companies, you have to present your information to increase your share rate and your show your strategy of your company using graph, using line graph, bar graph, pie graph. So matplotlib is a predefined library which provides some graphs. But matplotlib is a traditional system, so it's an old library, so always provide a simple graph. But now this time we are getting animated graph, another types of graph. So Seaborn will provide a latest and interesting graphs. If you are if you want to learn about the data science and machine learning, so simply I want to say this is a technical system. Obviously we are using computer, we are using Python, but it's totally system depend on my math, on the math. If you are using any new, if you want to learn about new technique, you must have to know about the basic math about otherwise you can't understand about machine learning relationship and you can't apply your research in this area. So mathematics in a linear algebra, statistic, probability, calculus, these are basic maths which are using in your machine learning, your predefined algorithms, and all your data science system. So without this math, not possible. So you can continue connect me with me on this my LinkedIn ID. Anything you have query, then you can direct connect with me and you can ask me anything about library, about machine learning, deep machine learning, new algorithm, research, books, anything you can ask me on this my network system. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for this session. Guys, if you want to ask something, you can post your questions in the comments. We'll be happy to take your questions.
I got a one question. They need my PPT. Here I'll provide. I'll provide the protein and you can provide the PPT also.
Okay, it seems there are no more questions, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am, for giving this session. And I know there's a lot of buzz about this field, and you have made each and everything clear about a specific difference between machine learning, deep learning, AI, and so thank you, ma'am. And yeah,
Thank you. Thank you so much.
yeah,
Thank
thank you. Guys, before we end this stream, there is a small quiz that we have prepared. So what you can do is you can click on the link that will be posted by one of our moderator in the comment, or if you couldn't find the link in the comment section, you can go into the description below and you'll find that link. So click on that link and you'll be redirected to a quiz. So that quiz will be based on the session that has just finished. So appear for that quiz, and only then you will be eligible for the certificate. So we'll be providing you the certificates if you appear for the quiz. So make sure you attempt the quiz and each and every question. Okay, so also don't forget that there is a series of workshops that are also scheduled till 18th of December, and on 19th and 20th we'll be organizing the virtual hackathon, which will be organized by a Code Warriors team. It's called Hack with CW. So do participate in it. Till then, goodbye and code well.